Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Vinny here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace an air filter on a Toro TimeCutter zero-turn lawnmower. There's no tools required, and I'll have links down in the description for the parts used in this video. This procedure is pretty straightforward, and it's also very similar for other lawnmowers. So the first question usually most people have is how often should you replace this filter? For the typical homeowner that just has one of these to cut their grass throughout the season, it says online to replace this once a year. Now again, that really just depends on how often you cut your grass, and also, is the environment very dusty and dirty, or is it just more clean cut grass and there's not really a lot of dust in the air? I will say, in the dead middle of summer when it's really hot, my yard tends to get kind of dusty. It kicks up a lot of dust, and then after I'm done cutting, I check the air filter and it's usually coated. So I would definitely recommend to replace your air filter more frequently than normal if you have a dusty environment. I got a 2-pack of these filters online for about 15 bucks, so it's pretty cheap and it's super easy to do. Let me show you how to do it. All right, we're around on the back side of the lawnmower. There's this cover right here. Just gonna pop this open, and then here is your air filter. You're just gonna kind of grab it and it pulls right out like that. So here's just a side-by-side comparison. Obviously the old one and the newer one. Just so you guys can see the size. Exactly the same. Even on the insides, they look identical. All right, so to install the new one, you just basically put it in its slot right here and push it in. And that's on there really tight. That's nice, good seal. And this is brand new, and that's about it. Close your cover and you're good to go. All right, guys, and that's about it. That's how you replace an air filter on a Toro TimeCutter zero-turn lawnmower. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I will get back to you. If this video helped you guys out, please leave me a like. And if you're looking for more of this kind of content, then hit that subscribe button, because there'll be plenty more videos coming your way. Appreciate you guys sticking through in this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.